Bangladesh is the 8th most populous country in the world. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The official language of Bangladesh is Bengali. Bangladesh is known for its beautiful rivers, including the Ganges and Brahmaputra. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from India, Pakistan, and other neighboring countries. Bangladesh gained independence from Pakistan in 1971 after a bloody war. The national currency of Bangladesh is the Bangladeshi taka. Bangladesh is a coastal country, with the Bay of Bengal to the south. The national symbol of Bangladesh is the Bengal tiger. The country is known for its delicious cuisine, which includes dishes like biryani and hilsa fish curry. Bangladesh is a major producer of textiles and garments, exporting clothing all over the world. The Sundarbans, a mangrove forest in Bangladesh, is home to the endangered Bengal tiger. The literacy rate in Bangladesh has been steadily increasing in recent years. The country has a tropical monsoon climate, with heavy rainfall during the wet season. Bangladesh is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. The national sport of Bangladesh is kabaddi, a traditional team sport. Bangladesh is a parliamentary democracy, with a president as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. The country has made significant progress in reducing poverty in recent years. The textile industry in Bangladesh employs millions of people, mostly women. The country has a growing IT sector, with many young people working in tech companies. The National Day of Bangladesh is March 26, which commemorates the country's independence. Bangladesh is home to the largest river delta in the world, the Sundarbans Delta. The country has a diverse population, with people from different ethnic and religious backgrounds living together. Bangladesh is prone to natural disasters like cyclones and floods. The official religion of Bangladesh is Islam, with a significant Hindu minority. The country has made significant progress in improving healthcare and education for its citizens. Bangladesh is a member of the United Nations and other international organizations. The country has a rich tradition of folk music and dance, with vibrant cultural festivals throughout the year. Bangladesh is famous for its traditional handicrafts, including pottery, weaving, and embroidery. The national emblem of Bangladesh features a water lily, the national flower. The country has a long history of political turmoil and military coups. Bangladesh is a major exporter of seafood, especially shrimp and fish. The postal system in Bangladesh is known as Bangladesh Post. The country has a growing tourism industry, with visitors flocking to see the natural beauty and cultural sites. Bangladesh is one of the world's largest producers of jute, a fiber used to make textiles and rope. The country has a high population density, with many people living in urban areas. Bangladesh has a long history of traditional medicine, including Ayurveda and Unani. The national bird of Bangladesh is the Oriental magpie robin. The country has a vibrant film industry, with Bollywood producing a large number of movies each year. Bangladesh has a rich tradition of literature, with famous authors like Rabindranath Tagore and Qazi Nazrul Islam. The national flag of Bangladesh features a red circle symbolizing the rising sun. Bangladesh is a founding member of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. The country has a wide variety of wildlife, including elephants, monkeys, and crocodiles. Bangladesh has a tropical rainforest climate in the southeastern part of the country. The national anthem of Bangladesh is Amar Shanar Bangla by Rabindranath Tagore. The country has a growing economy, with agriculture, industry, and services sectors all contributing to its GDP. Bangladesh has a rich history of art and architecture, with ancient temples and palaces scattered throughout the country. The literacy rate in Bangladesh is higher among men than women. The country has a strong tradition of classical music, with genres like Khyal and Thumri. Bangladesh is a multicultural society, with people of different backgrounds living together in harmony. The national tree of Bangladesh is the mango tree. The country has a growing middle class, with many people working in white-collar jobs. Bangladesh is a major producer of rice, with agriculture being a key sector of the economy. The national airline of Bangladesh is Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Bangladesh has a growing garment industry, with many international brands sourcing their clothing from the country. The National Museum of Bangladesh is located in Dhaka, showcasing the country's history and culture. Bangladesh has a rich tradition of pottery, with clay pots and dishes being used for cooking and storage. The official animal of Bangladesh is the Royal Bengal tiger. The currency of Bangladesh is issued and controlled by the Bangladesh Bank. The country has a growing IT sector, with many young entrepreneurs starting their own tech companies. Bangladesh has a diverse cuisine, with dishes ranging from spicy curries to sweet desserts. The national language of Bangladesh is Bengali, spoken by the majority of the population. The country has a growing telecommunications industry, with many people owning mobile phones. Bangladesh has a diverse ecosystem, with wetlands, forests, and coastal areas supporting a wide variety of plants and animals. The national cricket team of Bangladesh has gained international recognition in recent years. Bangladesh is known for its traditional crafts, including weaving, embroidery, and pottery. The country has a rich tradition of dance, with classical and folk dances being performed at cultural events and festivals. Bangladesh has a rich tradition of storytelling, with folklore and legends passed down through generations. The National Theatre of Bangladesh is known for its innovative productions and talented actors. Bangladesh has a rich tradition of literature, with poets and writers from the country gaining international acclaim. The country has a growing tourism industry, with many visitors flocking to see the natural beauty and cultural sites. Bangladesh has a rich tradition of art and architecture, with ancient temples and palaces scattered throughout the country. The national currency of Bangladesh is the Bangladeshi taka.